Hi, CJ Delvecchio with Warren Real Estate. Today I'm inside my listing at 90 Robinson Hollow Road in the town of Richford. Technically, it's just over the Tompkins County line into Tiger County. And this is a lovely 3-bedroom, what I call treetop, 2-story with a beautiful wooded setting. And as usual, I'm here to show you a little bit of the inside, and if you'd like your own tour, I'd be happy to get you in. So I'm standing inside the living room, which is open to the dining room. And this is a house that started out as an older home, smaller, and that was added onto by these owners over the years. But you can see dining, kitchen, and the hardwood floors in the dining living room. The kitchen here has been updated with newer cabinets, a nice tile backsplash, a tile, you can see a tile countertop, and open to the family room, laundry room there, little pass-through. Stainless appliances, a great wraparound deck, and 3 bedrooms upstairs with a large bathroom. And also you can see little built-ins here as well. There's a gas fireplace, and this is the family room. This could be a bedroom here. You'd have to enclose it to make it a real bedroom because it has the pass-through, but it also has a nook for the laundry. And like I said, it's a beautiful setting. It's near the Finger Lakes Trail, and at the house I have details. You might have seen this online, how close the house is actually, number 90. And then the access is really, I think it's a 1/10 of a mile away. And then you have all of the Finger Lakes Trail there off of Robinson Hollow Road. So if you're interested in a house in the country with a nice setting, very peaceful, give us a call. We'll get you inside. And thanks for watching my video today.